And in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Wi-Fi connectivity issue on your iPhone 13, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds. We have a couple of workarounds and you have to try this one by one on your devices, and most probably this has to be fixed. And if you're for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more such information videos. So let's move to the workaround, and the first one is all about you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi router is working good, or else you'll be having the trouble. So you can check it from here itself. We can go to Wi-Fi and make sure that it's connected, as well as the Wi-Fi router is also working good. So simultaneously and vice versa, the issue has to be fixed. Moving on to the next solution is all about you have to do a complete restart on your iPhone. So to do the restart, you have to press volume up followed by power button, and just have to press and hold, and you have to go for slide to power off, and you just have to do a restart, and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue up or not. So this is about how we can fix this up. Moving after a little bit while, when you turned on, you have to check with your Wi-Fi whether the issue has to be fixed or issue is fixed or not. Even after trying this, if the issue is not working, you just have to follow the next possible workarounds. So moving to the next one is all about you have to do this one, which is called forget the Wi-Fi which are already connected. So just go to settings. Now from here, as you can see, you're on the Wi-Fi, so you just have to click over there I button over there, and you just have to go for forget this network. So here I'm let's go for forget, so it will get forgetted, and you have to connect it back once again. Then you have to check, right? And even after trying this, if it's not still working, then we have fourth solution. Fourth is all about you have to reset the network connectivity. So you just have to go over here on the general. From here you just have to scroll down, and you have to go over here to transfer or reset iPhone. From here you just have to click on reset, and from here there is an option called reset network settings, so that you just have to go for it, giving the passcode, and you have to see, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And we have one more method as the last one is all about, even after trying all this basic step, even this issue is still processing, it's all about you have to update to the latest version of iOS. So in order to just have to go over here on the general. Now from here you just have to click over here on the software update and make sure that you're on the latest version of iPhone. So even if you're having any kind of update, as you can see, you have to download and install it, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out when you're having Wi-Fi connectivity issue on your iPhone 13, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos.